Mastering Homophones and Homonyms, Unraveling the Mystery of English Grammar. Hello language learners! Today, we're going to delve into an advanced but important topic in English language learning: homophones and homonyms. More specifically, we'll be focusing on the correct application of grammar rules to these tricky words when we're writing and speaking English. This is a topic that confuses even native English speakers at times, but by the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp on how to use these words accurately and confidently. Before we jump into the grammar rules, let's make sure we understand what we're dealing with. Homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings and may have different spellings, like to, and to. Homonyms, on the other hand, are words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings, such as bat, an animal, and bat, a piece of sports equipment. Using homophones and homonyms incorrectly in writing can create confusion and potentially alter the intended meaning of a sentence. But don't worry, we're here to help you avoid those pitfalls. Now, let's tackle grammar rules for homophones. These rules often come down to understanding the different parts of speech that each word represents. For example, they're a pronoun and they're an adverb, pronoun, noun, or adjective are homophones. Understanding their different roles in a sentence can help ensure you use them correctly. For example, their coats are on the chair. Here, there is used as a possessive pronoun. There are 3 apples on the table. In this sentence, there is an adverb. Remember, context is everything when determining which homophone to use. With homonyms, the challenge is more about understanding the different meanings a word can have based on context. For instance, let's look at the word wave. As a noun, it can refer to a physical movement or a swell in the ocean. As a verb, it can mean moving one's hand or object back and forth. For example, the wave was 10 feet high. Here, wave is used as a noun to denote a swell in the ocean. Wave your hand if you understand. In this sentence, wave is used as a verb meaning to move your hand back and forth. Here are some tips to apply these rules. 1. Contextual understanding. Always try to understand the context of a sentence. This can provide you with clues about which word is intended. 2. Dictionary use. Don't hesitate to use a dictionary if you're unsure about the correct word to use. It can provide both the meaning and part of speech of a word. 3. Practice, practice, practice. The more you read, write, and speak in English, the better you'll get at identifying and using homophones and homonyms correctly. And there we have it. We've discussed homophones and homonyms and the importance of applying grammar rules to use them correctly. Remember, mastering these can be a challenge, but with time, patience, and practice, you will definitely improve. We hope this video has been helpful. As always, keep practicing and happy learning. Until next time, goodbye and take care.